I wasn't expecting anything special. I was just testing. But the first render, the way the grime settled into the edges, it stopped me. Cycles taught me how to build shaders, but Octane made me feel them. Let me show you what I mean. In Cycles, to get this kind of dirt buildup around the edges, you need a mix of nodes. Ambient occlusion, pointlessness, math, and a color ramp, and that's just for the mask. In Octane, it's just one node, the dirt texture node. Real-time, procedural, and it just knows where the grime should go. It blends wear into corners, adds life to surfaces, all without needing UVs or an extra setup. So here's what the Cycles setup will look like. Probably gonna need an ambient occlusion, a color ramp, noise, RGB mix node, and probably the pointness too, all feeding into a mix shader. Now it works, but it's a little messy and it takes some time to dial in. Here's Octane. You've got a clean material, you've got a grime material, and then you take a mixed material in between, then you add the dirt node as the blend. That's it. 3 nodes, 0 guesswork. In Octane, the dirt node gives you a few simple sliders: radius, strength, and invert, and a few others. Want more buildup in the crevices? Increase the radius. Want edge wear instead of dirt? Just invert it. Want more organic variation? Add a noise node, that's all it takes. In Cycles, every tweak means more node spaghetti, and if you're not careful, things can get out of hand pretty fast. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not here to trash Cycles. It's powerful, it's a powerful engine, and I learned everything I know about shader building inside of it. This isn't about which is better. It's about knowing what tools exist and when to reach for the right one. I'll be real with you, learning Octane inside Blender wasn't easy. There's not a lot of training out there, and that's why I'm making videos like this so you don't have to struggle the way I did. If you're just getting into Octane or even thinking about it, I put together a free Blender 101 guide. It's 20 plus videos straight to the point. It shows you exactly how to get it set up and running inside of Blender. No fluff, just the stuff I wish I had when I started. Links down below. If you're using Octane, here are 3 quick tips. 1, use invert normals to switch from crevices to dirt edge wear. 2, layer 2 dirt nodes for more advanced grunge. 3, always preview on a shader ball before you jump into your real scene. It just helps. If you're using Cycles, use pointiness for a lightweight curvature masking node. And don't forget, group all your nodes and keep them nice and clean. Once I saw how powerful the dirt node was, I opened up this free Octane asset pack from Pixel Labs that's made just for Blender Octane. All of the models already come with Octane materials, and yeah, they use the dirt node. But nobody's really pushing it. I dropped a noise map into the radius input, and instantly the edges felt worn, broken in, like somebody's used them. If you haven't grabbed that pack yet, I'll show you what's inside, how to get it, and add some small tweaks that are gonna make your materials way more cinematic.